country, everyone. Not
First and foremost, I mean, I don't think I have to tell you who I am, but just for the sake of the camera, my name is IMAHKUS Njinga Akofu Ababu. I am she who has been away and has returned to the land of my ancestors. And my responsibility is to be here for you and those who will come after you, to open up the door of no return. And hopefully, you'll come back. Today's experience will be something that I'm sure most of you have never been through before. And it is a life-changing experience. And I know I've listened to people talking about, the different things to expect and, that it's depressing and it's all of those things. It's all of those and more, or it could be less. And it's dependent on the individuals. The thing is that you are not tourist. You are on a pilgrimage. This is not a vacation. It's a pilgrimage in which we've returned to a place and time that they said we would never return to. No one expected us to ever come back. And for most of you, you are the first ones in your families to make this journey. As we say, one from a family and two from a town. Some will come back and some will never come back. But after this experience, you will never be the same person again. Ancestral worship is very strong. If you feel a desire to remove your shoes, because I call those sacred grounds. And you'll find when you go, now question, do y'all have candles? Everybody has the candles?
No,
I have
I don't
extras.
have
I have extras.
Do you have enough
I'll be
candles?
holding video camera anyway, so.
No, but you need a candle.
Okay.
So before you leave, let me know how many more people
I'll give you
need
one.
candles.
I need
And I'll bring you some. Okay? But there's and do you have fresh water?
Yes, we have plenty of water.
We need to have fresh water because you're going to pour libation.
Okay.
Whether you're Christian, Jew, or otherwise, the pouring of libation is to give honor to the ancestors. It has nothing to do with religion. And then you'll have your candles for the light in the dungeons. So you pull on each other, all right? Because you're there for one another. And it is what it is, okay? I say don't have any great expectations. Go in and let it happen. All right. I'll be here when you get back because there are some other things that we'll have to go through. This is only part of that journey. And we'll finish that journey when we come back to One Africa. So may the ancestors and the Almighty Creator bless your going in and your coming out, your lying down, and your rising up. Pray that everything that you desire in this lifetime is there for you. We ask that the ancestors bless you continuously, bountifully. And don't cry, my sister. It's okay. And even if you want to cry, we will never, ever cry enough tears to wash away the pain and suffering that our ancestors have been through.
That's right.
But know that they rejoice in your return. And yes, we cry because that's natural. I still cry after 25 years. And it's okay to cry. Because we are strong, strong Africans. And no one has been able to go through what we went through and be able to walk and talk about it. So if crying is what you need to do, then you cry. If screaming is what you need to do, then scream. And if all you need to do is be silent, then be silent. But be there for one another. Peace. Peace. Love and respect.